Welcome back to my channel. Happy 12 days of Christmas. I can't believe that I'm actually like putting up this many videos every day in a row. Like, I'm actually shocked at myself. So if you guys have not seen the previous videos, definitely be sure to check the description box down below. I will have the playlist linked for you guys, and we're gonna have a few more videos coming for the rest of the week. So definitely be sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and give the video a thumbs up because this one is gonna be popping. We're about to talk about all the crochets that I did this year. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I have my phone right here because I had to actually go through like the content that I created this year and look to see what styles I even did. So turns out I did 8 crochet braid styles this year, which, I mean, that sounds about right. I mean, I normally wear my styles for probably like a month or so. So yeah, pretty good. So I don't know, do I want to start off with my least favorite or my most favorite? Or maybe just in no particular order. So what we have on the list is, the first one that I have on my list is Outre Ocean Wave. And I'm gonna try to put a picture like over here or over here of each crochet braid style as I talk about it so you guys can remember. And of course, I'm gonna have my crochet braid playlist linked in the description box down below. If I remember, I'll link it in the cards too, so you guys can go check out all the styles that I did this year. So first one I have on here is Ocean Wave. I reviewed 2 Ocean Wave styles. So I reviewed Outre Ocean Wave and I reviewed Toyo Tress Ocean Wave. So the Outre Ocean Wave I did earlier, like this year. It was a like longer, not super long, like kind of like a medium length style, like 14 inches, somewhere like right around here. A beautiful curl pattern. Really loved that one. This is so difficult because I'm like, I love them all for specific reasons, you know? So that one was really great because I love the length of it. And I also love the curl pattern of that one as well. The texture, I believe, was like a soft, like natural texture, I think. But I reviewed another Ocean Wave more recently by Toyo Tress. If you guys have not seen that one, that one was like last week or like 2 weeks ago. I put up the update and then I had it in a little bit before that. I really kind of just took that one out. That one, I think, look, that might be my favorite one. I don't know. We're going to go through the list and determine which one it's going to be. But that one, sis, was really hitting. It was really hitting. And it is a bomb holiday style. Like, it gives me holiday. It gives me birthday. It gives me boss babe. Like, yes, it gives me all the feels. Like, I love the bob. It comes, I want to say it was like 12 inches. So it may have been like this long, but I ended up cutting it into like a cute bob. Everything, okay? That one, yes. And it was like, the texture of that one was really nice. It was like a soft, natural texture. Sometimes the Ocean Waves can be, like a little plasticky because of, I feel like, how loose the curl pattern is, but I actually really love the texture of that hair, and it was definitely a fan fave. I feel like you guys really like that one as well. So the other one that I feel like you guys really loved was the Bobbi Boss Brazilian Go-Go Curl. That one, I believe I've told y'all like 2, 3, maybe 4 times the hair that I'm wearing for my birthday, and I still don't know which one it's gonna be, but I know I said that might be one of them. That one was long. It was very long, like waist length, okay? Very thick, very luscious. Gives me like, it gives me vacation. It gives me vacation. It gives me beach. It gives me like, you know, that's what it gives me. It gives me, let me flip my hair. Like, it's just, it's very much everything. That one is really nice because I was really able to use my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist and kind of like really kind of not detangle, but kind of like use my fingers to like glide through and get like all the excess hair out and then retwist. And that one holds its shape like really nicely after you've used the Cantu mist and retwisted it at night. So I would definitely recommend that one if you're going to be around water, just because it's kind of like a looser curl pattern. And so to me, if that one gets wet, you'll be able to twist it and it'll be able to like regain its shape again versus like more of our yaki textured hair. So moving into our yaki texture type hair, we have Joyful Curl. Now, Joyful Curl was really something else. Joyful Curl was giving like, who is it that wears like, is it Shaka Khan or am I making that up? I could just be pulling that name out of thin air, but there's some kind of like really big entertainer who wears like really huge hair, and Joyful Curl was like really big. Really big and very yaki. It's soft, but it's yaki. It's more of a coarse texture kind of hair. It's big and I just loved everything about it. I really loved everything about it. You guys, rarely do I try a crochet braid style where I'm like, I don't like this. Very rarely, but one that I can say I was kind of like, I don't like this, was that Dalva human hair crochet. Like, it was, don't get me wrong, it was beautiful when I first installed it. Like the first few days of wearing the hair, I was like, wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. But my problem with it was, one, y'all know how I feel about volume, okay? Y'all know I like big. I like texture. I like all of that, especially with crochet braid styles. And I just feel like with that hair, to me personally, there's really no point in having a human hair crochet braid style. Like if you want human hair, just put on a wig, sis. Just put on a wig, get a sew-in, get some bundles, you know, do something. Like if you want to crochet, to me, crochet is supposed to be just like a quick style. We can just kind of like run to the beauty supply store, be like, oh, this looks cute, and come back and install it, wear it for a little bit, and then take it out. Like it's supposed to be a nice, quick, easy style. No maintenance should really be involved in the crochet. Like, yeah, I do, you know, a few twists over my head at night and put my bonnet on. But with that one, girl, I have flat ironed the top, not flat ironed it, but like, okay, so, and you guys will see the video, especially if you go back and rewatch it. And maybe I didn't even show this in the video, I don't even know, but I'm telling y'all that I did like hot comb the top of the hair. So basically, you guys know, normally I do an invisible part in the middle, which means I kind of like put the crochet knot on one side so that when it folds over, it's seamless right here in the middle. That's what the invisible knot method is. And I did a new method, sis. I did a new method that was even more seamless, which is in my not most recent, but like my Ocean Wave video, not the update, but the very first one. If you guys want to see that method of how I got like basically a knotless hairline, y'all definitely go check that one out. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. If I can remember to link it in the cards, it'll be in the cards. Okay, but I had basically done the invisible part, and then I used like my wand curler, I want to say, to kind of try to press out the top, because the hair, by it being like human hair, it didn't really have any volume, right? So it was very flat. And so when you did the invisible part, it was like, even though it was folding over and there were no knots in the middle, it was like you could see the knots on the other side because the hair was just like so flat. Like I just feel like I had to do so much work to it. And then it appeared to me that over time, and by time I mean like over the course of a few days, it looked like the pattern of the curl was just getting flatter and flatter and flatter. And it could be because of the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist that I was using on it. Maybe that wasn't the best product to use on that type of hair, but it's like, what else was I gonna do? Like, you can definitely use that product. I use the product on synthetic hair, so it's made for real hair. So to me, I shouldn't have had any problems, but the hair, and y'all saw how it matted up. I posted an update, I think like a week later, talking about how I was taking it out because it was just like so matted. It was just so much work and like so unnecessary. So human hair crochet braids, not so much for me, but I mean, it's a nice look if you want to do like something. This is when I would recommend it. If you're going on vacation and you want a curly hairstyle that's giving wet and wavy, but you don't want to do a sew-in, or you don't want to do a wig, but you still want to get like that kind of wet and wavy look, that's when I would recommend that you do that human hair type of crochet braid style, because it will be perfect, like perfect length of time, because your vacation is probably only going to be a couple of days, probably, you know, a week. I told you guys I work for like a week, so you know, that's like a good amount of time to get a cute little vacay style. So that's when I would recommend it. Otherwise, for just day-to-day and like longevity purposes, no ma'am. So let's go ahead and move into the next style, which is going to be Summer Deep. I reviewed 4 free tress crochet braid styles this year, and I have reviewed a lot more in the past. So if y'all want to be updated on the free tress crochet braid styles, check the playlist, sis. I have so many on there, so many. Okay, so the Summer Deep, beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I reviewed that one in red. I believe that was like a T530. That was bomb. I absolutely love the color. I love the texture. I love the length. I love the curl pattern. That one was absolutely a winner. And that one is a more silky textured type of style. So if you're looking for something a little less coarse, a little less natural, something more silky, but not like the old like silky plasticky kind of crochet braids, like the new updated nice feeling silky crochet braids, that's a winner. Okay, love Summer Deep. And they have a lot of colors in that one as well. Like, I mean, the blonde on that one is really, really gorgeous. So that was absolutely a winner. Love that one. Okay, so the next style that we have, I'll talk about both these at the same time, which would be the Pearl Curl and the Shirley Curl. So to me, I believe, is it, two of them are very similar. I want to say, you know what, I'm lying. Pearl Curl is really similar to Joyful Curl, I want to say, as far as the texture and the pattern of it. Shirley Curl is more of a spiral, and I reviewed that one in blonde because I remember the root of that one. I want to say that was like a T27 or like a OT27 or something like that, but I believe the root of it is not black, like it's not a 1B. They say it is an ombre, but when I think of ombre, I'm really always thinking the root is going to be like at least a 2, but that one I feel like was kind of more of a 4. It's kind of one of those where the blonde and like, it's kind of like a 27, 4, 2 like mix at the top, and then ombres into like just 27. So by my hair being black or like, you know, very dark, when you install it, you're gonna be able to tell, you know, like that your roots up here are like black and then the hair is starting. So that's one thing that I don't really like about that. I don't really like when they do that with the colored ombre type styles. I just feel like most people, especially most people who are going to be doing these type of crochet braid styles, probably have black hair, are very dark, you know, like at least a 2, like, or like a 4 if you're installing this. I just feel like that's more common. So I just feel like the ombre colors should just really be a number 2 at the top at least. Give us a dark root, please, a real dark root. I don't need no 27 mix all at the top. Like, we could just put that, you know, midway down the bottom of the hair, make it ombre, you know. But yeah, so I still really like that one though, because I love the curl pattern of it. It's like a really pretty spiral, and it is more of a natural texture, but it is very soft, which I love. So I believe we talked about everything, sis. Yes, we talked about all the crochet braid styles I did this year. So you guys, pretty much you can tell the one I liked the least was going to be that human hair crochet. Super happy that I tried it out though, because that's like very different to have a human hair crochet. And like I said, that's a cool style for like vacation if you're looking for something like that. But I think my favorite might be the most recent one I did, which was that ocean wave. Like, something about that hair, I feel like on me specifically, really gives me like grown and sexy vibes with like that bob, and it was just hitting. Like, something about it was just like, yeah, this is the one. So that one, and then Joyful Curl too. Joyful Curl for like a big like natural texture. Joyful Curl for sure. And then if you want like a really, really bomb red and you want something that's soft and kind of like silky, Summer Deep. for sure. So I feel like those are my favorites, and I already have 3 more lined up for y'all starting in January. The year is coming to an end, so we're done with crochet braids for the year. I have a few more hairstyles coming for you guys, but they're not crochet related. However, at the beginning of the year, I already got three crochet braid videos lined up for y'all. So y'all definitely subscribe to the channel if you love crochet braids, because I'm gonna keep them coming for y'all, period. Definitely let me know down below which crochet braid style was your favorite. I mean, I feel like they all have their pros, but definitely let me know which one you love the most. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys tomorrow, because like I said, 12 days of Christmas, we're posting videos every day, back to back. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.